Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing an Ariel. Let's draw with me. First, I am drawing its hair. Now I am drawing its body. I am drawing its head here and its eyes. I am drawing its eyebrows and eyes. Its shiny eye. I am drawing its eyelashes. I am drawing its nose and smile. I am drawing its hand. A mermaid is sitting on a stone. I am drawing its tail. Its beautiful tail. I am drawing its body. I am drawing a stone. Let's color with me. First, I am drawing its hair with red color. I love its red hair. I love to watch Ariel cartoon very much. I like to watch a mermaid cartoon. Now I am coloring its body with purple color. Light green color. I am coloring its tail with sea green color. A mermaid found in a sea. Do you like my mermaids? I am coloring its tail.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
Skin color. I am coloring its hand. I am coloring its face. Cute mermaid. Now I am coloring its arm. I am coloring its eyes. I am coloring in cheeks. Now I am coloring a stone, brown color.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
A mermaid is sitting on a stone.
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Yellow color.
Y, and
In the middle of stone is yellow color.